Hi, my name is Guillermo and I'm originally from Madrid, Spain, but I've been living in Calgary, Alberta, Canada for just about 30 years now. And all I gotta say is Arkana has absolutely changed my life. I've been researching psychedelics, I've been researching ayahuasca, and it's been something that has intrigued me for a very, very long time. I personally, as all of us, have issues to face, demons to conquer, and just to be a better overall human being, right? So the thing is, I didn't want to seek the Western medicine, with medication, psychologists, psychiatrists, because they just turn you into like a zombie, and the side effects of all that stuff is horrible. So I wanted to seek an alternative approach. And that's why even my parents, my family backed me up on this, and my friends to do something different. And because there's a lot of research around the world that scientists and doctors, some doctors approve of this, and they say it is life-changing because one session of ayahuasca is equivalent to give or take 10 years of therapy. So if you do the math, in 2 weeks here I did 7 sessions, and that's 70 years, right? So I did conquer so many demons. I thank everyone here, the staff, the shamans, every single person, the owner Jose for getting me in last minute. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, because I was struggling with some inner demons and I could not conquer them. I had some childhood traumas, I had some fears, some worries, some doubts, and I truly didn't know myself. And for once in my life, at 35 years old, I finally can say I found myself and went even deeper and deeper into layers I thought I never knew I had or existed. And from the first moment I arrived here 1 or 2 weeks ago, the first ayahuasca experience in the jungle, it was so profound and so just connected I felt with the jungle, and we clicked with everyone. I became family with all the people here from all around the world. It's like I knew them my whole life because we all had the same connection spiritually, emotionally, and just mentally. We had the same mindset, so it's truly a blessing to be here. I'm not gonna lie though, I did have some doubts. I had worries and fears, as usual as any human being, because you read stories or you see YouTube that you conquer your demons, you go to hell. And I actually did experience all that. I did go to hell, and it was quite scary, but you have to face your demons sooner or later. And it was the most incredible feeling of relief and joy and just liberation and freedom. So comparing my first ayahuasca experience, I remember not feeling absolutely anything after 2 doses, because we have 2 doses within the night, and I was kind of disappointed. I'm like, is this really gonna work? How am I really gonna fix myself now? I do not want to go back to that and try that Western medicine. So then I just had more faith, and everyone told me, trust the process, trust the process. And my God, they're right about trust the process, because you just have to believe. There's someone out there, whether you believe in God, Allah, Buddha, it doesn't matter. There's some higher power there, the universe, and we all connected with them. So from the last session I had yesterday, wow, I can say it was so profound. Words cannot describe what I saw, what I felt in my heart, in my soul, and in my spirit. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, Arkana, for truly blessing me with this opportunity to be here. And I will be back. I will be back at the jungle as well, even though I got bit from head to toe with mosquitoes and bugs. But that's life. And you just got to look at it like one of the guys said. It's vaccination from Mother Nature. It's vaccination from Mother Nature, the mosquito bites and all that. Maybe it's just healing you. So you got to just change your perspective. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Namaste.